To apply for the PMI membership, log on to pmi.org, and at the top of the screen you can see join. Go ahead and click it, where you can see all the membership benefits you would get. One of the key benefit is as soon as you become a member of PMI, you will have an instant access to the project management body of knowledge guide. When you scroll down, you can see all the benefits of becoming a PMI member. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see join now. Go ahead and click it. This will tell you the steps you need to follow to become a PMI member. Step number 1, we are going to select the membership type and add it to your shopping cart. Then we're going to check out, and we can also log in or become a new registered member of PMI, and we can finish our information, make the payment. As soon as we complete making the payment, you become an instant member of PMI. So I'm going to click individual member. Usually student ask me what is the student member and what's eligibility to apply for the student member. You need to know student member means you should be a full-time student at an university or college. This student member doesn't mean you as a student preparing for the PMP examination. So you cannot apply for the student member unless you are a full-time student in a university or college. If you're a working professional, you should go for the individual member. Now, as you could see, the membership rate for the first time when you join at PMI, it's going to be $139, which includes the $10 application fee. When you renew the membership after 1 year, the cost will be only $129, which could subject to be revised at the future. So what you need to do is normally students get confused at this stage, because the membership is pretty much like shopping, online shopping. You do it in Amazon or eBay. Basically you need to add your membership to cart. So as you could see, your cart is empty now. Go ahead and click add to cart, and now you could see that your cart has one item, which is like $139, and that's all you need to do. Just add the membership to the cart and you can go ahead and click checkout. Now when you do that, it asks you are you an existing user of PMI? In that case, type your username and password. If you're not an existing user of PMI, you can create a new user account to become a registered user of PMI. I have another video where I showed you how to become a registered user. So I'm going to straight away use my credential and log in. Well, basically, if you're not a registered user, you can create a registration at the website, which is a very simple, straightforward process. So a couple of things to take care of here is make sure your name is spelled correctly as it should appear on your membership certificate, and you can also type in your billing address. So I'm gonna type quickly. So that's all in this page. I'm gonna click next. Now here it will ask you to check if you would like to um, add any chapter in addition to your membership. Now chapter is basically almost in all part of the world. PMI have a local chapter where it basically is a local community where they do conduct free seminars, some kind of paid workshop, meetings, a lot of they do a lot of project management activity. So it's basically up to you whether you would like to enroll in any of the local chapter. By default, based on the address we entered in the previous screen, it will recommend the local chapter for you. If you want, you can add to cart, but you need to notice here to get a membership at your local chapter, it would add some extra dollar to your membership. So it's completely optional. If you feel you can get more benefit by joining your local chapter, go ahead and add to cart. Otherwise you can simply ignore them. and you need to agree with the terms and condition of PMI. If you like to see what are all the PMI code of ethics and professional conduct, you can click it and see them. But I'm going to skip this one now, and I'm going to finish this page. Now this will take you to the payment page where you need to use your credit card or debit card with your Visa, MasterCard, or different card type. Type in your card number and the card holder name, expiry dates, as well as your security code. And once you enter all of it and click continue, you will be instantly become a member of PMI. So all you have to do is, once you become a member, and you can either go to my PMI immediately to see if it is reflecting on your dashboard. Basically, if you're a member, you could see here that you are a member with the membership ID, with the start date of your membership and the expiry date of your membership. If you don't see that, don't get panicked. Just simply log out and log in. You will see your membership status on this My PMI dashboard. And this is how you become a PMI member. And keep it in mind, PMI membership is valid for 1 year. You can renew your membership every year. And also I would like to say that it is not mandatory to apply for the PMI membership to apply for any of the PMI credential examination, but it is strongly advisable to take the membership, because usually membership cost and the exam cost together will be cheaper than directly going for the exam without the membership. And by being a member of PMI, you will have a lot of benefits. Well, that's all you need to do to apply for the PMI membership.